Good morning. Hey, this is Rich Sparks. Got another great property hitting the market. This is a quad level, nearly 2,400 square feet of updated living space, newer roof. Check this place out behind me. I'm going to take you on a walkthrough, but before we get started, we got to have a dad joke, right? Why does a father always take 2 pairs of socks when they go golfing? In case they get a hole in one. Now, let's go check it out. So one of the things you're really gonna like about this house is this great kitchen. Love the cabinetry. We have dovetail joints, so it shows a good high quality. Corian countertops. Newer stainless steel appliances. Can't miss out. You also have this little dining area and it walks out onto this beautiful paver patio. Now the windows here on the first floor are Pella. They have the built-in screens so you don't have to worry about dusting them. I'm all about when things are a little easier. Now let's check out the rest. With 3 spacious bedrooms, including a primary suite with a walk-in closet, walk-in shower, lots of room. Now downstairs, this is my favorite part. You have the natural gas fireplace, lots of space. If you enjoy getting together with groups, what a fantastic area to do it in. You even have a little game room over here. Now the pool table, talk to us. We might even put that in there for you. This could be converted to a bedroom, home office, workout studio, whatever fits your needs. But this place is designed to entertain. You even have over here a nice little wet bar. On this floor, there's also a half bath. So, if you like to entertain, have people over, this is the place. What a garage. This 3-car garage with epoxy flooring, great for storing toys or if you like working on cars. Now the backyard, you have a raised paver patio. Check out the size of this yard, nice privacy, and in back you'll see a little shed for all of your gardening needs. Don't miss out on this house. Give us a call.